Hello everyone. Sometimes we want to measure a voltage that is either too big or too negative for our microcontroller to handle. Then how do we solve this? With a resistor divider, one that goes three ways to be precise. The voltage divider here on the left is a classic one. One resistor goes to 5 volt and the other to 0. If they both are somewhat equal in value, then the center voltage will be roughly half. It is this center voltage we are going to measure on the Arduino using that blue wire. Then the third resistor, being much larger in value, takes in the voltage we actually want to measure. By removing or adding current from the midpoint, it either drags down the voltage towards 5 volt or ground. In the microcontroller, we first do a voltage measurement to get a voltage between 0 volts and 5 volts. Then we translate this voltage into the real world voltage. To calibrate this, we need to take two measurements, as far away from each other as possible. These measurements are pairs and consist of voltage at the ADC and actual voltage. Please note that with my setup, being on a breadboard and lots of cable, it is not possible to get a stable calibration. Now let's do a run on the positive voltage range. Switch the voltage source. And to finish the video, a look at the negative range. Thank you for watching.